Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm a little bit late showing you guys this video, but you never know. I'm here to share with you guys the Target Black Friday ad. I always go to blackfridayAds.net, so it's just BFADS.net. They're pretty good, but I'm just going to kind of walk with you guys through the ad. I'm going to go pretty fast because I don't want it to be a long video, but if you guys definitely want to go ahead and check it out, go for it. I will be making how I prepare for a Black Friday video. I will have like a couple ideas for you guys to help you guys save some money, so let's get in. Now here they got a 65-inch TV for $279.99. That's a pretty good deal. It is a smart TV, so it looks like it has Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube on it. So if you guys want to go ahead and get that, go ahead. I usually try to always get a TV if we do need one around Black Friday. I did get an awesome deal a couple years ago, but yeah. Looks like the doors open at 5 p.m. on Thursday, and then they close at 1 a.m. Friday morning, and then they'll reopen again at 7 a.m. so in case you guys need to do that. They do, usually sometimes they will have deals online to avoid going shopping, so it just depends on what you guys want to do. So I'm just going to kind of just skip forward to the ad. It looks like they're having a preview sale this Friday and Saturday, so tomorrow, November 8th. I don't know if they're going to show some deals or something. I don't really understand, but yeah. So now there is more TVs if you guys need to get any TVs. This looks like a 40-inch for $169. They also have sound bars for $49.99 and $129.99. Samsung. More TVs, and I feel like most people go shopping for TVs, but best thing I say, if you guys are in the market for stuff like this, kind of have it on like a wish list, and then you might, like if you guys shop on Amazon a lot, kind of have it on a wish list, and you guys might see it even be cheaper than that. That's kind of what I do. I put everything I'm pretty much going to get on Black Friday and see if Amazon will, you know, beat it. You never know. You never know. But here they have a Roku. I love my Roku for $29.99, so if you guys are interested with that, it's just a stick. More TVs. They got a DVD player, another home theater soundbar, Google Chromecast, iPhone deals if you guys need an iPhone, Apple Watches, all that stuff. And I'm just going to kind of skip pretty fast. Pop sockets. And for me, looking at the Target ad, I feel like there's not as much good deals as there has been in the past. So, sorry husbands in the background. But I'm just going to kind of skip through this in case you guys really need to go for it. You can definitely check it out. Here's a Nikon camera for $400, a printer for $30. That's a decent deal. It is a wireless printer. If you guys need to go that way. Nice little camera for $100. The Amazon Fire Kids is $60. That's a pretty decent deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I don't know why these things pop up and then stay up. Ring doorbell, $139.99. We love our Ring doorbell. More electronics. And there is 54 pages. Now here is the games. They do have over 100 games for, I don't know why that's not coming off. They have over 100 games for $15, over 40 games for $25, 30 games for $29.99, 10 games for $35, and then the one game for $45. Now we're getting into some like video game Pac-Man stuff, so we got that going ahead. My phone's going off. So there's that. Just a lot of gaming systems, controls, all that stuff. My main thing that I like to get on Black Friday is movies. That's just like what I like to get. I'm a huge movie buff, and you know, I like to get as cheap as I can. Here's some books. They're going to be buy two, get one free. What I really like is these, you know, 5-minute books like that, if you guys want to go ahead and see that. They are going to have some books for $4. I actually like these books. I don't know what they'll have, but I actually want to get like Benjamin Aladdin. He loves that movie. They have some movies for $15. Now in the past, they've had these movies for like $6, $7, so I don't know why they're $15. And they say they're DVDs. It doesn't even say anything about Blu-rays, so I'm kind of sad about that. I'm going to probably be looking somewhere else to find it cheaper. They do have some records for $15.99. Now here is some movies, and I feel like their movies are a lot more expensive this time around than last time, but we got Angry Birds, The Grinch, Pets 2, Lion King, Rocket Man, John Wick 3, John Wick 2, the new Men in Black. So a lot of those movies for $9. I feel like in the past they have been cheaper, but you know, you never know. And then here's some other movies for $4. So we got, you know, Hotel Transylvania, the Lego Movie, Goosebumps, Wonder Park. And then some movies for $6 like The Greatest Showman, A Star is Born, Aquaman. And then they have some other TV series for $10 like This Is Us. But yeah, I'm just kind of disappointed in the movies section this time. But you never know. Games, it looks like there's some games that are going to be 50% off. Puzzles, Dragon Snacks, never heard of that. Throw Burrito, Lucky Ducks, that's a good game. They got some Lego sets for $19.99, that's a good price. Jumbo Jenga, LOL dolls, $99.99. They have a Frozen house for it's LOL's Winter Disco Chalet, sorry, for $229. Yeah. And then some Frozen dolls for $39.99. Here is some race cars and Nerf guns. It looks like something's 50% off. Little kids stuff here and there. Toys, $29.99. Hatchimal babies. Oh, okay. Got those boxy girls, Nickelodeon slime, kinetic sand, Barbie dream house car. Here's a nice little Hot Wheels thing for $120. So this is stuff that I usually say kind of just make a wish list, and you guys might see it cheaper somewhere else. You can always buy it, and then if you find it cheaper somewhere else, return it. That's what I usually do if I find something cheaper. So save your receipts, you guys. Save your receipts. Another Baby Alive snacking. A kitchen set, a little dollhouse. We got some baby dolls, costumes. JoJo Siwa doll. Here is one of those Squishmallows jumbo unicorns. Those things are so soft. I love it. Love it. Care Bears are back again. $8.99. I should get Miss Charlotte a Care Bear. Bicycles. We got $39 and $69. Wheels, mattress, some shirts. Now we're going to get to more athletic stuff. Okay, more toy. Here's a swing set, you guys, for $7.99. I'm just going to go a little bit faster. Yeah, now we got the bed stuff. This is something kind of cool. Ryan's Toy Review, $25. It's a bed in a bag. It's kind of cool. And then they got some towels or blankets. Blankets. They look like towels. Mittens, $1. You can never go wrong with mittens. Some sweaters, $10. Look at that. Clothing, they got pants for $8 for kids and toddlers, and $10 for women's. Shoes, $10 and $15. They got some shirts for kids, $3. It says, yeah, $3. Men's and women's tees are $4. Leggings, it looks like it might be $3 also. Kids t-shirts, $5. Men and women's shirts, $8. Girls, $12. So I always like to stock up on clothes. Here's some pajamas for $5 for newborns. I don't know if it's exactly newborns or if it's a little bit older. Sleep gear, $5. I love sleep pants, especially for $5. Men's shirts, $20, $12, and $20. Jackets, I'm just going to kind of go a little bit fast over the clothes, you guys, because we're already getting into 10 minutes. Shirts, $10, $10. Ooh, an MTV shirt. Close, close, close. Pajamas, $10 to $15. I got Ben and Charlotte some matching jams already. Underwear, $6. But then in the small print it does say 8, 6, and 6. So it looks like some of this stuff is $8 and some of it is $6. Yep. Razors and some personal care products. Here is a stroller. It says save $100. So I'm assuming it's like $200. Car seat, $114. A bouncer, $24.99. Now we're into the sheets and linens. They got a weighted blanket for $30. Pillows, $5. Here's a nice little 2-pack set of bath towels or hand towels, or a 6-pack of hand towels. $1.75. Go ahead and get that. Blankets, $10, $5. Pet beds. More sheets. 146, you guys. We got less than 10 pages left. Here's some vacuum cleaners. And then they got Christmas lights. You guys can get some lights for $89.99, and then you get a $35 gift card for buying that. Yeah. Vacuum cleaners. This is what I want for Christmas, is a brand new vacuum cleaner for Christmas. Such a lovely gift for myself. I haven't seen very much small appliances yet. I think we're going to be getting there. Here is a 28-piece of Rubbermaid for $7.99. That's a pretty good deal if you guys go ahead and get Rubbermaid. They got KitchenAid, Rachel Ray, Faberware, all that Giles. Now here is an air fryer for $50. Keurig, $50. And then here is the small appliances. Now some of them do have rebates to them on certain stores, but this store does not. So you guys can get a mini crock pot for $10, a toaster, a hand mixer. You got a George Foreman grill, coffee maker, Teflon fry pan, cookie sheet, and then some little utensils, all for $10. Then here's some other small appliances for $20. Then Christmas trees. Now this says it's for Saturday and Sunday only. Usually they always have that deal after Black Friday. Then here is the last page of just some regular doorbusters. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up so you know you enjoy it. And I will see you guys for the next Black Friday ad. See you guys later. Bye-bye.